This year is exciting because it is the 120th anniversary of Canadian Metalworking. Hi, welcome back to the FMA Debrief. Today I'm here with Rob Swan. He is our Director of Sales for our Canadian publications. Many of you might not know that FMA has Canadian publications. We have two of them. And this year is exciting because it is the 120th anniversary of Canadian Metalworking, which happens to be one of the longest running manufacturing publications in North America. Rob, tell us why this anniversary is such a big deal.
Yeah, thanks, Sarah, for having me. 120 years for Canadian Metalworking, which originally was Canadian Machinery and Manufacturing. We've been serving the Canadian manufacturing space, more specifically the metalworking industry, for 120 years. So it's been a pretty big deal for us to celebrate.
Yeah, and there's been a lot of shifts in the industry in that 120 years.
Yeah, it's given us an opportunity to look back on things that were covered back in 1905 and the advancements in the technology from basic machine tools to where we are today. So it's been pretty interesting to look back on.
Yeah, it's great to see, and also to know that this one publication has had so much value to the industry to be around that long.
Yeah, that's been pretty cool for us as well. We've gone through and, you look at a brand like Canadian Metalworking, where it was and where it's gone. It's really been the face of metal manufacturing in Canada. Looking at the old editorial and content, the ads that have been produced, it's really been the face of the industry, so it's been exciting for us.
Yeah, it's been really great to see that throughout the year this year, how the throwbacks, right? And seeing those old ads and what was happening 100 years or 120 years ago from right now.
Yeah, so our editorial team, Joe Thompson and Lindsay Luminoso, have been doing a really nice job each month taking some of the old articles and ads and repurposing them in Canadian Metalworking. We're going to continue to do that the rest of this year. And then we're going to celebrate a little bit more at CMTS, the Canadian Manufacturing Technology Show, which is happening at the end in the fall, to just again recognize the anniversary and celebrate the brand.
Great, yeah. Well, if you want to follow along with what's happening and definitely catch those monthly throwbacks, go to CanadianMetalworking.com. Thanks, Rob.
Thank you very much.